Whether it be a big oil rig in the Gulf, a stunning yacht cruising offshore, a perfectly designed hydraulic system, or a big hose carrying the fluids that keep the world running, the fluid power products built by the men and women under the employee-owned holdings umbrella are among the best in the world. The names read like a who's who in the fluid power, motion control, and automation business. Hydraquip Distribution, Hydraquip Custom Systems, Supreme Integrated Technology, virtually all of which are ISO 9001-2008 certified, and Gulf Controls Company, which recently joined the employee-owned holdings family. All owned by employees. Employee-owned holdings is an ESOP, or Employee Stock Ownership Program, which gives this family of companies a real leg up on its competitors, because every one of its over 300 team members have a vested interest in top quality every day. They are all owners. They will get huge retirement incomes if the company does well. There are no secrets here. The books are open, and everyone on the team gets to see them.
We all like to think that we're pulling on the rope at the same direction at the same time and working towards a successful business.
And it has been hugely successful. EOHI and the companies in the family have stellar reputations in the fluid power business for innovation, quality, and superior customer service. Remember, whether you're dealing with a craftsman who's cutting steel at a Supreme Integrated Technology facility outside New Orleans, an engineer at Gulf Controls in Tampa, an expert at Hydraquip in Houston, Dallas, or Lafayette, or the president of the company, you are dealing with an owner, and that is a very good thing for customers. Tim Nichols is president at Hydraquip. He's one of those owners, and he's very proud of his company.
There's sweat equity here. We have people that realize that they're employee owners. They tend to be a lot happier when they come to work. They tend to want to stay longer.
Hydraquip is a legendary name in the fluid power business. The company started back in 1951 and has evolved ever since. Customers love the Hydraquip team because they are so experienced, so vested.
Our goal is to start at the pole position. We want to work with engineers as they begin the design of their new equipment and then work through the entire process.
Hydraquip Custom Systems grew out of necessity. Customers wanted entire systems built. Today, Hydraquip Custom Systems, or CSI as it's known in the company, is booming. It's housed in a stunning new 42,000 square foot facility in Houston, and will need more room. Why? Because just like every company in the EOHI family, Hydraquip Custom Systems is an industry leader in quality design build systems for all kinds of applications. I knew the answer when I asked the president, Mark Helm, if he was proud of his team.
Absolutely. Every one of them is an owner. They know that. They've got what we call skin in the game, and they do their business accordingly.
Hydraquip has facilities in or near Houston, Dallas, Oklahoma City, New Orleans, Lafayette, Tulsa, and San Antonio, because that is where it can serve its customers best. For example, if you need a custom hose for an oil rig, or a little pump, or anything in between, Hydraquip has an entire high-production hose facility just outside of Dallas. Hydraquip Fluid Conveyance is filled with owners who are simply the best in the business.
We do kits for customers so that when a box shows up, a skid, however it's packaged, it has everything that they need from start to finish to plumb up their entire hydraulic circuit.
The quality that we have here, the team of people, with factory-trained technicians to assemble hose, it's second to none. There's just nobody else that does it better.
The same can be said for Supreme Integrated Technology. The team in Louisiana is outstanding. This facility outside New Orleans does all kinds of custom work. Kevin Hayes is the president.
We're a total solutions company. We do hydraulic and engineering work. We design, fabricate, and supply heavy movable structures, articulating structures for the marine, civil industry, and also military.
The Supreme Integrated team builds lots of systems that move heavy equipment on ships, oil rigs, bridges, you name it. These people are experts, and it shows in their work. When we visited EOHI, it had just acquired Gulf Controls in Tampa, Florida, and its 80-person team. Gulf Controls fits right in. You can eat off the floor at this facility, just like the other companies in the EOHI family. The employees who are now owners are empowered. Things are in order here. You can see it everywhere. People are pros who do things right.
Our company was cut from a fabric of very high integrity, and it is a reputation across the country.
Gulf Controls stocks millions of dollars worth of inventory to meet its customers' pneumatic, hydraulic, and electromechanical motion control needs. The line card is impressive, with names such as Bosch Rexroth, Sun Hydraulics, Nordgren, and many others.
Looking at our line card, I've said before, if I were going to start a business, knowing what I know, and I could pick the lines I wanted to carry, we have them all.
John knows that Gulf Controls and all of the companies in the EOHI family are headed for a bright future because of their people. Most company presidents say it's all about their people, but very few have people who actually own the company. Hydraquip Distribution Regional Manager Joe Seamal is one of those people. Joe runs a Hydraquip operation in Broussard, Louisiana, right outside Lafayette. Here there is one of the Hydraquip retail centers. It's called the Eaton Aeroquip Express Hose Center. These are perfect places for customers to come in and grab what they need right off the shelf or have full service and repair done. Joe says if you want to see the future of EOHI, look at all the young talent in this family of companies. They are proud to be owners, and so is he.
I love it. You know, I always thought about trying to be an entrepreneur, but you can do that here. And I try and impart that to the young people that, man, you own a piece of this thing. This is yours. You know, this is not just some job. It's a business, and you own a piece of this thing.
Remember that when you consider an EOHI company against someone else. You are dealing with an owner who is truly vested in making sure that you, the customer, is happy. An owner who does business with integrity.
We conduct business the old-fashioned way, honestly and ethically. We do what we say we're going to do. We under-promise, over-deliver. We do that day in, day out, over and over. We're in it for the long haul.
Employee-owned holdings, a quintessential American success story. For World Business Watch, I'm Rich Noonan. We'll see you next time.